got 50 years left on this earth. Tell me why would you leave me? I don't think life has gotten much worse, so why would you leave me? Is it because there's volcanoes in the North Pacific, or rock controlling all of our tides, or 9 planets in a solar system, the size I can't surmise? I don't have much invested in all of the questions that people believe in. But if you had 2 outcomes to choose from, why would you leave me? Is it because there were wars that we've never heard of, or entire families who sat and cried, or because we appeared from a couple cells that were trapped inside some ice? What your family has told you, must have been what the movies have shown you, must have been what your family has told you, must have been what the movies have shown you. But there is no happiness and perfection to grab you from the world you've made. You've grown to hate, to the white picket fence parade. If you leave, there's volcanoes in the North Pacific. If you leave, there's 50 years worth of life to live in. If you leave, there are wars left to be fought, but not by my side. It's up to you. If you leave, it's up to you. If you leave, it's up to you.